Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Solutions, and in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money in Metatrader 5. It's really easy and simple, so you can manage all this directly from the trading platform. You do not need to use an external website. Okay, so what you need to do guys is you want to come here and open up the navigator slash payments section. Okay, it will display all the available operations you can do, deposits and withdrawals or payment history, all that you're going to find it here. So what you're going to do guys is you want to come here and click on deposit to account. Click on this and you'll see that they have a bunch of different deposit options. You can use PayPal, your cards, wire transfers, different options. So what you want to be doing now guys is once you come and click on deposit to account, they're going to ask you the amount that you actually want to deposit, the currency, and they will ask you to choose a payment method. So if you want to, for example, use, your card, you can come here and click here, a Visa card, a MasterCard, Amex, any card. You come and click on here, and they will ask you to give you the payment service provider. So here you pick on card, and you're going to put in your email. So if you're using things like PayPal, you need to put your PayPal email here, and then basically click on continue. And what's going to happen here, guys, once if you clicked, for example, a card, they will ask you for your card details, your card number, your card holder name. You need to put the exact name. You need to give the expiration date and the CVV code. And then, guys, you basically need to just click on pay. And if there's a two-step verification through your bank, then you just need to verify the transaction, and then basically what's going to happen guys, you will see it update here in your payment history. Okay, in your transaction history you'll see it right here that you have deposited. For example, here the deposit 1010, you'll see that deposit coming up right here. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did guys, smash that like button and subscribe. As always guys, subscribe to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.